we just arrived in Danang. This coastal city is known for its beaches and more specifically the Golden Bridge held by two enormous hands 50 minutes away in Bana Hills. But anyway, it's only our first night, so let's check into our hotel, give you a room tour, and grab a seafood dinner. Lemon. It's lemonade flavor, so we had a welcome treat at Danang. It just feels the vibe is so different here, even at the airport. I just feel much more relaxed. And in Saigon, I felt kind of uptight and like wound up a little bit because I feel like I have to be alert constantly. But here, just a much more relaxed atmosphere. And here we are. We're staying at the what's this place called? The Vinpearl.
The Riverfront.
Right when we got out of the car, someone came to help us with our luggage. And then we started waiting in line, and they were like, "Oh no, you don't need to wait. You can just sit on the couches here, and we'll call you when you're ready." And they'll just start processing our information because we just gave them our passports. Either that, or they just stole our identities, and then we have no way to get home now. Let's hope it's not that bad. Anyway, but yeah.
This is like a 5-star hotel.
No, I'm not. I'm just joking. I know I'm not worried. Here we are. Flight was only an hour, which is nice. I fell asleep the whole way. But after we check in, I'm probably gonna look for somewhere to eat. Right? Do you have any idea what you want? Oh, somebody's coming.
What a beautiful hotel. There's an elevator.
Yeah, it feels really grand.
There's like AC. Finally.
How come I'm not getting any?
Well, it doesn't feel super hot.
Okay. It's not as stuffy as other elevators.
The other elevators were pretty rough. And we're on our 34th floor.
Party time.
Yeah, they have rooftop bar too, you said?
Yeah, that's what I saw, but let's check it out and
See if there's anything else cooler.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what the room looks like.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, this feels like Vegas.
It kind of does. And even you can see.
Even the carpet's like really padded.
Yeah.
So you feel the.
It's cushy.
Yeah, it's cushy. So yeah, this carpet's more expensive because it has more layers.
Oh yeah, the thickness of the carpet.
Put it out. All right.
Okay, let's see. You get a first-hand view. Look on the lights. Hang on. This one, this one? Okay. I think, is that it?
Yep.
All right. Ooh.
This is the little living room they have right here. And this is the room. Very nice. 2 TVs in a room? That's pretty nice. That's luxury.
Ooh.
Let's check out this view. Whoa.
Can you see? Should I turn off the light? Oh, let's turn off so you can see outside.
Wow, this is a nice view.
Is it the Bellagio fountains right here? Just kidding.
Look at that bridge right there. Oh, cool. Wow, this is look at that little boat down there. This is a nice view. So you can see the Dragon Bridge right there, I think.
Oh my god, we can get robes! Everywhere we've stayed so far, we haven't had robes.
This is nice. This place is really nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm actually pretty impressed.
Better be impressed.
No, it's kind of nice. You just kind of live in a place that's not so great, and then it makes you appreciate it more when you do have it. Right?
Alright, let's check out the bathroom. What do you think?
Oh, bathrooms are really important, I feel.
Yes.
The corner shower, nice, roomy.
Nice.
Hair dryer right here. Looks better than just a little travel size one that you've been using.
Yeah, you fit about 3-4 people in this shower.
Yeah. Florida.
Got the little mini dinette right here, or kitchenette.
I've been trying to look for the air conditioner. Look at these slippers that they have. I don't know if you can tell, but they feel like cotton and not just like a piece of linen. You know what I'm talking about? And they actually have a safety deposit box, a shoe horn.
Oh, that was a back scratcher. Back scratcher.
I mean, I guess it could double as both. And they also
people
have
put their feet on that, babe.
I don't think
rubbing it on your back.
Whatever. Anyway, yeah, I know they have a secure safe box, which is nice, and a scale. I feel like we should check it out. I'm curious. I haven't weighed my soap in a long time.
Pretty sure it gained weight.
I think it just turns on. Thank you. Ooh. So, just found this place on the internet, of course, and it's popping. Look at all around me. The lights are so nice. The ambiance is really cool, and the weather is amazing out here.
Thank you.
It doesn't feel as humid out here, which I like.
It's a little bit cooler for sure.
Yeah. And this seafood place has so many things.
Yeah, there's like a whole tank behind us.
Pretty extensive.
I know.
But gotta start out with the tiger beer again.
I just want to fill up. I just want to fill up on seafood right now. So.
It kind of sucks because we only have 2 people now, and we want to order a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
When we had a big group, we could do that. But if it's a small group, we can get too full, and it's gonna get pretty pricey.
Oh yeah. Here, actually, let me take you to the aquarium back here, where we'll be eating our prey. Hang on. Pretty cool. Look at all these clams. Mussels. This is so pretty. All the horse back there too. Behind the wall.
You should go all the way around. Like close.
Oh, you fucking close. Here, Michael wants you guys to look at the lobsters. They're huge. Oh. Felt like I was about to fall. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it. Hello. And out we go. Yeah, it's not only here, but they even have an indoor seating area that extends all the way back there.
Yeah, look how delicious this is. What is this? Is this the squids, right?
The morning glory with the razor clams.
This is
Spicy squid salad. So the servers actually will come and peel your shrimp for you.
That's service, right?
That's crazy. I hope they leave the head for me to eat. I'm gonna eat one of these razor clams now.
Okay.
How big is this? Let's try any of them. Mmm. These razor clams are the most plump ones I've ever eaten.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
I've ever eaten. Thank you. Well, you leave the head, right? So I could eat the head? Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Check it out. This is the razor clam.
Dude, this butter garlic is they added sugar to it. It's good.
Do you need the head?
Okay.
Yeah.
Those are the seafood noodles. Egg
Okay,
noodles.
is it okay?
Yeah, okay. Nice. That's awesome.
Good service.
Thank you.
This looks like
The egg noodles are really good.
man, that sauce is really good. What the hell? Oh my god.
I'm telling you.
They made it with like mee goreng noodles.
Yeah. Let's try this squid salad. Squid. It's like papaya.
Yeah. And the shrimp cracker complements it so well.
Và để hát sinh nhật không? Em ăn.
Wow, beautiful job. Try one. My diaphragm kind of hurts.
Good.
How is this?
So good.
Đánh đi bỏ đi.
Man, I'm very impressed with the size of these razor clams. The ones we get in the States,
They're always overcooked.
they're overcooked and they're really thin and like you don't even know which, like you know you're eating clam, but it's so thin and malnourished. That's crazy. You built it so nicely.
The pro.
This is how I peeled it, and he did nothing came apart. I'm excited to eat this one.
Shrimp, butter, garlic sauce.
This is pretty butter and garlicky. I'm gonna try it too.
So good.
It's a little too sweet, but I still like it.
I like it.
I wonder what kind of butter they use out here.
I don't know.
Good.
But yeah, so they sell it by gram, the tiger prawns. It's like 90,000 dong. So minimum is 300.
300 grams, yeah.
So this is 12 bucks. Which is considered a little pricey, but I don't think it's too bad.
I think it comes with a service
Yeah.
for the fillet shrimp for you. What?
Man, this service is on point right here. So this is the baby squids.
We got them
Are they
fried.
stuffed?
I'm not sure. I want to look at it. Oh no, it's just the inside of the squid.
Okay. But that looks super good. I don't know what sauce it is. It's like a curry kind of sauce, I think.
They said it's just fried with. I just remember it saying fried.
So they give you all kinds of different sauces. So everything's been so good. I don't think we need the sauce.
Yeah.
But I want to taste it anyways.
Oh, thank you. Pretty big Korean population here. Tourists who come here.
So we got this oysters. It's with oil, green onions,
Yeah.
and fried shallots and peanuts. I think we got a lot of food. Look at this bread right now. Boom,
Goodness.
boom, boom, boom. I think that's it, hopefully. I didn't order too much.
That's it. There's a cross section of.
Still has all the ink in there.
Yeah. Is it supposed to?
That's good.
Yeah. These are fat. I think we did okay. Maybe half. This is gone. There's one left. But good thing we have a microwave and a stove in our hotel. But yeah, yummy. I'd come back.
I'd come back for sure. I wish we had more people.
Oh yeah, for more people, for sure. I think
Order more stuff.
even if 2 more people, I think this would have been a perfect amount for 4 people.
Yeah.
Cause yeah, but
I'm like exploding full right now. I can't finish my beer.
we have a big day tomorrow. We'll be going to Sun World in Bana Hills, which is an amusement park and also home of the Golden Bridge held by the giant hands. So if you're interested in that, subscribe so you don't miss out. Again, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thanks and see you soon.